Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you planning your first cruise? Here are 10 essential tips to make your journey smooth, enjoyable, and unforgettable. Stay tuned for some great advice. Tip 1. Plan ahead. Book early for the best deals and cabin selection. Pack smart. Bring a mix of casual and formal wear, and don't forget your swimwear and sunscreen. Make a checklist to ensure you don't miss anything important. Tip 2. Arrive at the port early. This will give you plenty of time to check in, get settled, and explore the ship before it departs. Plus, you can avoid the last-minute rush and start your vacation stress-free. Tip 3. Explore the ship. Spend some time getting to know the layout and amenities on board. Use the cruise line's app as your personal guide for daily schedules, dining options, and more. It's essential for a smooth experience. Tip 4. Participate in onboard events. Many cruises offer themed nights, parties, and other events that can enhance your experience. Don't miss out on these fun activities. Whether it's a masquerade ball, a neon party, or a live music show, these events are designed to create unforgettable memories and help you connect with fellow travelers. Check the daily schedule to see what's happening each day and plan accordingly. Trust us, these events are not to be missed. Tip 4. Make dining reservations. Popular restaurants can fill up quickly, so book your meals in advance to ensure you get a spot at your preferred dining times. Tip 5. Attend the safety drill. It's mandatory and will help you know what to do in case of an emergency. This drill is crucial for your safety and ensures everyone is prepared. Make sure to listen carefully and ask questions if needed. Tip 6. Plan your excursions. Research and book shore excursions ahead of time to ensure you get the experiences you want. This helps avoid disappointment and ensures a well-rounded trip. Also, consider physical activity levels and health conditions when choosing excursions. Stay hydrated and wear sunscreen to protect yourself during outdoor activities. Tip 7. Stay healthy. Make sure to wash your hands frequently, use hand sanitizer, and stay hydrated to avoid getting sick. Also, consider bringing your own water bottle to ensure you always have access to clean water. Tip 8. Budget for extras. Be prepared for additional costs like gratuities, drinks, specialty dining, and onboard activities. Budget wisely. Set a daily budget for expenses. Specialty restaurants, drinks, and souvenirs add up quickly. Tip 9. Take advantage of onboard activities. From shows to fitness classes, there's always something to do. Don't forget to relax by the pool or join a dance class to make the most of your cruise. Tip 10. Relax and enjoy. Remember, you're on holiday. Take time to unwind, soak in the experience, and make the most of every moment. With these tips, you're ready to cruise like a pro. Bon voyage! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel tips. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Whether it's your first time or you're a seasoned cruiser, we hope you have an unforgettable experience. Remember, the adventure is just beginning, and the memories you make will last a lifetime. From all of us, happy cruising and safe travels.